Now I will show you how to adjust the time to make it to activation the beeping time. First, we have 3 buttons: the up one, the middle one, the lower one. Press the middle one longly until 7 seconds until the PS5 appears, and press the set again, and adjust the up button until 22 appears. Then press the set again, and press the up button until A7 appears.是 A7 对吧？那 A7 appears. Press set, and you can adjust the time. It's 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, whatever minutes you want. And then when you choose the preferred minutes, you can long press the middle button to save the parameter. That's okay.